example, you see, I am going to play, I am going to construct a sine, I am going to construct a waveform. Before everything, I'll give clear all so that you will not see what previous figures. So it will clear. Okay. Now see here, I'm going to generate a cos waveform, and you're going to hear the cos waveform. How a cos waveform sound will look like, and what is the frequency you see. I'm going to play a 1 second 440 hertz cos tone. So I'm going to generate and I'm going to play the tone. Okay, I think the objective is clear to everybody. So I'm going to generate a sine wave and I'm going to play it. Okay, see here, the same way, sampling rate is 8,000. And accordingly, I'm choosing my time. I'm going to play it for 1 second only. So 0 to 1. And I'm dividing by the number of samples. Okay, and the signal is cos 2 pi ft. And the frequency, as I told, it is 440. So I'm giving cos 2 pi 440 into t. Now I'm creating an audio object. There is an audio player object which you can create. So whatever signal you are going to play, you can connect it to an audio player, comma the sampling frequency, fs you have to give. And once you give play of that audio object, you can see what is the audio for the sine wave. You should be very curious how a sine wave we have seen sine wave in mathematical equation. We have seen sine wave in MATLAB plot, but you should be very curious to hear how a sine wave will sound to your ears. Listen to the sound which is generated by the sine wave carefully. Listen to this sound. Were you able to hear? I hope everybody heard the sine wave. Yes or no? Can you reply in the chat box yes or no? If you hear a beep sound for 1 second, that is going to be the sound signal of cos 2 pi ft when you're going to play it using MATLAB. I think you didn't hear it. I'll once again run it. Maybe I think you should have heard it. Let's see. Is the beep sound heard by you now? Not sure. If you don't hear it, I'm not sure what's the problem. The audio systems are enabled from my end. Anybody else hearing the beep sound? No, I don't know what's the issue. Just a second, I'll see whether any settings. I'm able to hear it. I don't know really what's the issue.